Guys, I don't know how to express my feeling, but I am super excited to bring you this fantastic visa sponsorship opportunity to move to the United Kingdom on the charity worker visa. This organization is going to sponsor your visa. They're going to give you free accommodation. Your meal will be taken care of. They're going to make sure you are well fed. And that's not all, guys. They're going to give you monthly allowance to take care of your personal needs. Guys, this opportunity is mind-blowing. Now, let me show you. Girls community is made up of people from the United Kingdom and volunteers from across the world. Volunteers from outside of the UK join us on our international community volunteer program. Together, we present Christians from many different countries, traditions, and denominations. Guys, did you hear that? Volunteers, whether you are within the United Kingdom or you are outside United Kingdom, you are welcome to join this Christian community in the United Kingdom. Now, let's go see the visa sponsorship. Here is the information about getting your visa. Those wishing to take advantage of this opportunity would need to ensure that they have in place a valid visa. Typically, this involves the applicant applying for a charity worker visa with sponsorship of the visa provided by Guild movement. It is specifically stated on their website that they would be responsible for your visa sponsorship. You don't need to bother about it. They will take care of it and ensure that your visa is granted. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to apply for this program, the eligibility criteria, and the amazing part of this is that you don't even need to submit an IELTS as the English language test. You don't need to have volunteering experience. If this is your first time, they are willing to train you. You can see it written boldly on their website. Accommodation is provided as the nature of your work requires you to be resident here as Guild's house. You will be given your own room. Meals are provided and you will receive a small monthly allowance. Then you also have holiday entitlement of about 20 days annual leave and 8 bank public holidays. So let's look at the current vacancies. There are lots of vacancies currently available. What they did is to categorize them into different sections. So let's go for the community member. We are seeking new team members to join the Guild community in our rhythm of prayer, hospitality, and fun to help us fulfill our calling as a community and retreat center. So, can you offer any of these skills or have a willingness to learn? So, if you don't even have experience in any of this, and you are willing to learn, you are welcome to apply. We have the administration, catering and cooking if you know how to cook, domestic and cleaning work, estate work, forestry, gardening, maintenance, plumbing, electrical, building, music, worship if you can sing, youth and children's work if you can take good care of children, you're welcome. So guys, please pay attention here. This has been segmented for you. If you are applying from outside the United Kingdom, you are going to apply under the community member. This is where you're going to apply. Don't say I didn't tell you. That is the one that is made available for people from all over the world. But for the other three, the deputy kitchen team leader, the estate team leader, and the admin team leader are for those that are already in the United Kingdom. So please make sure you apply under the community member if you want them to give you visa sponsorship. So with that being said, let's go and check what this organization is all about, the eligibility criteria, how to apply. Guys, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. Subscribe. Please like this video just to encourage me and drop your comments as well as your questions. I'm going to try as much as possible to answer every single question here. So this organization is an international community committed to having members from inside and outside the UK. We are supported by an excellent team of regular working friends. We live and work together on the site, and with lots of encouragement and support from each other, we have a shared rhythm of life. We share experience, we share our lives with both guests and volunteers. So basically, this is like a Christian community where a lot of people come from all over the world. They hold conferences. That's why they consistently need the services of volunteers both in and outside of the United Kingdom to help them sort a lot of administrative responsibilities, cooking, the cleaning, the plumbing, and every other need that would arise with the convergence of a large population of the Christian community. So your responsibility as a volunteer is just to ensure that you contribute to the smooth running of the community in whatever aspect you are asked to serve. You're going to be able to meet a lot of people, build network and connections. So you want to ask me, how long am I staying with this Christian organization? We encourage individuals to join for a year, as this extended period of time gives time for growth and stability, although some have come for shorter and longer periods. So it depends on you. If you want to spend 3 months, if you want to spend 6 months, if you want to spend 1 year, if you want to spend more than 1 year. So it all depends on you. So the next thing is, what are the eligibility criteria? So if you are interested in joining us as an international community volunteer, there are some things you need to know before getting in touch. So you must be a committed Christian to join the International Community Volunteer Program. You need to have a good standard of writing and spoken English to be eligible for a place on the program. You must be able to communicate in English, and there is an induction program, regular supervision, pastoral support, and 2 reviews. Then the International Community Volunteer Program offer placement of up to 12 months. So we do not accept application for the program from those with young families. You will be asked to accept and agree to live by the Scargill pathway promises and to be actively involved in the daily rhythm of prayer, community meeting, and community groups. So you have the opportunity to take on roles of responsibility to grow in confidence and developing leadership and team building skill while working as a part of one or a number of teams. So they are going to segment you into different teams, so you would also be able to increase your leadership quality. We seek references from employers, pastors, and friends. So you would need recommendation from either your employers, your pastors, and your friends. And one more thing, you would need to pay your NHS surcharge and your administration fee and flight costs. That's all you're paying for. They are going to sort every other thing. Your visa sponsorship will be taken care of, accommodation and meal will be taken care of, and you're also going to be getting monthly allowance. Now, how do you apply? So guys, if you are interested in applying to join community as part of our International Community Volunteer Program, then please get in touch and we'll let you have more details. Guys, so this is how to apply. If you are interested, just click on please get in touch. So you have an inquiry form here to fill. So who is your inquiry for? So you're clicking on volunteering as a working friend. That's what we're applying for. So you tick it. Then you want to insert your name, your email address, your phone number. Then you type your inquiry here. This is an opportunity to sell yourself to them. Like, let them know you are passionate about what they do and you are interested in coming into the United Kingdom to help them ensure the smooth running of their community. So after you're done with that, just click on send your inquiry and they are going to get in touch with you and tell you the further steps you need to take in your application.